Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI Nova Y90, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications straight from the top right side of the screen, expand the toggles right here, and in here we're looking for the Do Not Disturb mode, which will have the icon of a moon and also is named Do Not Disturb. So once you find this toggle, you can either tap on it to immediately turn it on. This will enable it with the default parameters that are actually set by default, but you can also hold it, and this will take you to the settings where you can customize them. Now, we don't have too many settings right here compared to some other Do Not Disturb modes, but we have what I would consider as enough. So we can allow calls and messages. So in here you have groups of people. You have everyone, contacts, favorites, and no one. Choose whichever one you want for both of them. Caveat is we do also have repeated callers. Obviously this will only cater to the callers. So the description, when enabled, a second call from the same person within 15 minutes will not be silenced. So with this enabled, whoever calls you twice within a 15-minute period will completely bypass whatever you have selected right here. So you could have selected that no one can call you, but if they meet this requirement, that setting just kind of goes bye-bye. Now, the purpose of this setting would probably be strictly for like emergency purposes. Usually people call you quite frequently if they really need to get a hold of you. So that will enable them to actually reach you, even though you would have your Do Not Disturb mode enabled. Now, besides that, we do also have a schedule, which is probably actually the second option and almost the last option that we have right here. So this, which actually is enabled, I don't think it should be enabled by default, allows you to basically set up a schedule so your Do Not Disturb mode turns on and off automatically based on the provided settings that you have right here. Now you can create your own if you want to, or you can tap on this one to edit the actual settings of this one. Now, you don't really have much options in here. We have repeat, so 7 days of the week you can choose which ones you want to Do Not Disturb mode to run through, and then you can select start and end time. Now, if you're planning to have different day of the week start at different times, then you will just need to create several different schedules. So as an example, if you want Monday to start at as it is 8 a.m. till 1 p.m. and then for instance Tuesday you want 7 a.m. till whatever 8 a.m. then you will have to just make a new one with those parameters. But anyway, if you're planning to use the schedule itself, just make sure that it's enabled right here. For everybody else who wants to occasionally use the Do Not Disturb mode, just once in a while, find the toggle, tap on it, select enable, and it is right now enabled. Now, one more thing to keep in mind: when you manually enabled your Do Not Disturb mode, you do want to remember to turn it off, otherwise it will be running in the background indefinitely. So to do so, again, find the toggle once more, tap on it, and this will turn it off. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.